Locks. It's your girl Chic, aka LAL. Welcome to my channel. Ooh, y'all, I forgot to take out one of my shells, so I'm just gonna cut the rubber band and remove it real quick. Just like that. It's really simple. I have been locked for 8 months now, and it's my first time curling my locks. I'm super excited. I got my inspiration from Lauren Locks. Much love to her. But y'all, I got my flexi rods from Amazon. I got the gray ones. I thought I was getting 60, but your girl only got like 36. And yeah, so we're going to have to make it do what it do, double them up. But this is water. We're going to go ahead and moisturize and spray the locks with water. And nothing, too much. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. But y'all going to see what your girl is doing. I'm applying some Talia Wachid dry gel shampoo to my scalp. It's really refreshing. It's moisturizing. It is everything you need when you are prepping your scalp for a lock style. Yeah, I really like it. It feels really minty, and it smells really good too. So yeah, y'all, it's nothing too much. I'm just trying to keep it as simple as possible, but just making sure that I'm covering what I need to cover before doing this. I thank Lauren Locks for the inspiration for finally curling my locks. Like I said, I've been locked 8 months and it's my first time. But I'm going to use gray perm rods, and I'm using this African Pride Curl Mousse. And I like that it has rose water, but I'm just applying that, and they're a little bit moist and just rolling from the bottom up, okay? Really simple. Perfect. I don't have a fresh retwist, so I'm just twisting the roots and then going in and rolling in the front. I'm doing this, okay? Just to make sure that, it looks well put together, more maintenance looking towards the front since I'm taking the time to do this style. All done putting in the perm rods, so we want to make sure before we go to bed we tie this down really good. So I am not going to use a scarf. I'm going to use this oversized satin bonnet, and then I'm going to go in and apply over this the regular size satin bonnet that I wear every night. Pretty much I have different colors and all that. You know how we do. We got to have multiple. Plus they wear out, pretty quick over time if you have to wear them all the time. But yeah, so I'm just tucking everything in, and that's that. Hey, loves, it's late. It's time to go to bed, but now it's the next day. So we're going to go ahead and remove our satin bonnets, and we are going to what? I'm super excited about removing these perm rods because they are not the most comfortable to sleep in, okay? You heard me? They are not, baby. I tell you. When I do this next time, I do want to make sure that I have the amount of perm rods that I need, because I do have about 65 locks. And so, yeah, 35, 36. And then you might break one or two. I did break one. And I could not fix that, baby. I could not fix that bad boy. So, yeah, we're just going to go ahead. Make sure when you do this, it's better if you just slide it downward or pull it upward, and don't try to unravel it, because that might affect your curls and they might make them a little loose, and you want them to hold and be as tight as possible so your style lasts a little bit longer. Okay. Removing the last and final perm rod, and so now we need to separate these gulls because we put a couple locks on one rod And then also y'all could get a little bit bigger rods like the pink ones and whatnot. I might try to get those for the next time I try this style. But we're gonna do these edges up. Y'all know I love to style my edges, but for me, I think it just really completes this look. It makes it fire. Like, I love my edges done. I didn't have my rods in for 24 hours. It was more like 14, 15 hours, something like that. But I love the curls. They super tight though, but I really like the way they came out because I was concerned. But I'm glad we know that they do curl. Locks do curl. Yes, they can. All right, let me go beat this face and I'm going to be right back. You heard me? Ooh, child, your girl is ready, honey. Look at my colors, y'all. I got a little bit of pink. Did a little pink beat. Nothing super spectacular, but I love it. Shake it, chic, shake it. Do y'all like it? Let me know down below in the comments, but I hope you will subscribe and make it official. Join the LAL fam, please. And I really, really, really appreciate you. And thank you so much. Bye, y'all. I'll catch you next time.